Hello guys, nandito kami sa Jollibee, San Malu. You call Harrison there. It's me. Nandito kami sa Jollibee.
Wi-Fi is wow.
Wi-Fi? I don't know, you ask Harrison first.
Wi-Fi.
Are you asking someone there?
Wi-Fi.
Coco, spaghetti and fries, bebe. And no chicken. No chicken, bebe. Have a balloon, so many. Have a party, I think.
No.
Okay, I order now. You like spaghetti, fries, and Coca-Cola? Coco, spaghetti, fries, and Coca-Cola. Esme.
Spaghetti and chicken at once.
Okay, okay. Ayan guys, si Esme. What happened? You are sexy today. Ayan, request mag-Jollibee. Hi to my friends. And so many friends.
This is food.
One kilo?
This is infant.
Look. Have someone. Wait, the order is not yet. Harrison. Hi, baby. Harrison. Just very handsome. Just my auntie baby. Ito kay Harrison, guys. Kasi birthday niya no June 29. Ayan, guys. Kakain na si Esme. Ginimay niya yung manok. Yummy. Just go, kuyogin. Kaulit ba, ani, oy? Give Harrison na. Hatiin nga yan. Ay! Oh, just Coco, just Coco. Ikinulit na. Yeah, this is actually same. Ah, same ah. Ikinulit na po. Ay! Coco, don't touch. Just only that one. Inulit na po niya. Matakaw talaga ta. Matakaw talaga yan. Why go na see your cellphone? What's that? Look at the camera. Pasaway man talaga yan. Pasaway.
Pasaway.
Yes. Pasaway ka talaga lagi. Ang liit naman na hamburger ko. Yummy the spaghetti. Why? After 8, go to the Philippine Big Shop. Buy the bread because Harrison likes the small bread. Yeah, yeah. And then eat the halo-halo.
Wait, halo-halo.
Yummy. Kain kami halo-halo doon. Sobrang init dito. Careful. What's the bell? You try it, halo-halo. Halo-halo have some ice cream. Just very yummy. Halo-halo ba? Malagdag na ang kuan, oh. Kamuka ba ng tao? It's so beautiful now. Because the clothes is beautiful. Parang kaulit. Yes. What something? The tissue. You take the, I take pics. Coco, let's go. I send to mommy. Jollibee, Jollibee. Harrison. Moy, I take pics, Moy. Oh, you and Harrison? Yes, yes. I like that one. Harrison. Why cannot see me, Harrison? B, see auntie. Okay, go. Let's go. Later, lo. Yan, tapos na kami kumain, guys.
So yummy.
So yummy. Harrison! Mga pasaway talaga. Buy the bread. Para bago naisip, ayun na kumain na pandesal. Wow, so hot. Very hot. Pasaway talaga to si Esme, oy. Wow, so many people. Bakit kasi dinala to eh?
Pinakakasaka ko yan.
Jama-jama na po ka.
One bus.
Pasaway?
Oh, one bus.
There.
One.
30, no, 33.
What?
26A, 21A. Ken. Parang inita. Ay, so hot. You try it, have a garbage there. Coco, just walk go there. Fighty. I know, just stop, let her. It's me here. Yeah. Let her go. Just you sit down first. Hi. Kapagod na pagbusog. Sit down na. Wait, you check first. Ay, nako. Boy. That's me. Wait. Just go there. The bus stop is there. The other side. mouth is very dirty. I told you, you clean first. Katawa. Katawa naman ni si SB, oy. May go na. I think Harrison not feeling well, good.
Why?
Wa sa mood siya. Parang may ano, something.
We go to school.
Not tomorrow, then. This got 10 baby, yeah?
We can only go to school.
Yeah.
Me 717.
No, just only Harrison go to school and then nothing bringing them.
Yeah.
No, just Harrison only go to school on the 10. You is
1718.
yeah, Dodi should go to school. So many people now. Go, Moy. Moy, so many people, Moy. Just go. Moy, paitila, Moy. Go. Ay! Allah, it's hot. Oh my God. Ala. Go. Oh my God, so hot. Yes, you try this, that one, huh?
That can be good.
Yes, you throw it now. This. Pwede. Throw it na not in the bus ka, not the driver angry. We have 33 only people. You take na. You take Coco. This one. Thank you. Yummy. Yummy. Alaga ko nag-practice din kami.
No, they give money.
Yeah, just free. Kahit na bus. Coco ba? Yeah.